In today's world, every industry has a reliance on technology. Software, applications, and devices have made mundane and time-consuming office tasks more accessible and more efficient. Things that were done manually using human resources are now done efficiently without any human resources required. Like any other industry, law firms also use technology to operate more effectively. Law firms are known to have lots of very time-consuming paperwork. That paperwork and those manual tasks can be completed easier thanks to cloud computing. ProLaw is one such software that connects the entire law firm and makes it easy to manage and communicate with the firm's clients. With this software, your law firm can save money, time, and increase productivity and profitability. What is ProLaw? ProLaw is a business management, accounting solution, and legal practice management software built in 20001 by Thomson Reuters Elite. This software is used by law firms, startups, agencies, or small and medium-sized enterprises. ProLaw is the best cloud computing software for legal management. The support for this software is offered through email and an online portal. Since this software is server-based, it can run on an in-house server or a private cloud server. However, it requires a multi-server and robust infrastructure. ProLaw can be accessed on Windows, Android, and web apps. The front office of ProLaw includes practice and document management. In contrast, the back office of this software contains trust and business accounting, depending on your company's requirements. You can purchase either the front or back office module of ProLaw or both of them. Features of ProLaw. ProLaw offers a wide range of features like, but not limited to, customer relationship management, document management, legal case management, calendar management, trust accounting, billing and invoicing, time and expense tracking, contract management, conflict management. Not only this, ProLaw makes collaboration and management efficient. Through this single software, your team and your firm can stay connected, making it easier to effectively communicate and deliver to your clients. With ProLaw, it is also easy to keep track of finances and monitor client and company information. Through the integration of Microsoft Word, Microsoft Outlook, Westlaw, Westlaw Next, and other essential applications, ProLaw helps lawyers respond and manage their clients efficiently. ProLaw is customizable and is compatible to run with many other applications too. This software makes the entire process of client communication and management less time-consuming and more productive. ProLaw also aids you in making better and intelligent business decisions. Benefits of ProLaw. ProLaw makes business management, finance management, risk management, and matter management smoother and more manageable. Business management. Through ProLaw, you can connect your entire organization on one platform. This cloud computing software stores, updates, and tracks all the necessary information about your company, team, and client. With ProLaw, you can keep track of the health of your team and firm. Along with that, have all the information required to make the best business decisions for your company and client. ProLaw is easy to use and provides assistance and ease at each step of the process. It helps you analyze a potential client, track finances, reduce risks, track time, manage cases, and so much more. This software is your one-stop solution to the many business needs you and your firm can face while managing and catering to a client. Finance management. ProLaw also eases the financial tasks of a law firm and provides accounting solutions. Instead of manually managing ledgers, account payables, and budgets with ProLaw, you can easily keep track of your company finances and bill back to your clients through expense management and time tracking. Attorneys of the firm can also track the amount of time they spend on a particular case. ProLaw also allows you to generate financial reports of your firm that are useful to make better business decisions but are still very easy to understand. All of this boosts productivity and requires less time and manual work. Risk management. Many risk factors can emerge when working with lots of clients and data. ProLaw, however, manages and reduces risk factors for your firm. With ProLaw, all your client and company data stays protected and secured. Since there are no physical binders or files involved, there is a low risk of losing or missing your data to natural disasters or other unforeseen events. All of the data is streamlined and can be easily accessed. Deadlines, tasks, and to-do lists can all be tracked and aligned through this software's calendar management system. And because of this, there is a low chance of forgetting or missing a deadline. Your firm and your team stay updated about the upcoming deadlines and tasks to do. ProLaw also helps you identify and analyze potential clients. The analysis helps in situations where you specifically don't know about conflicts that could arise by working with a new client. Matter management. Matter management through ProLaw works just like a human but with more efficiency. Data entry is made simple and easy with this cloud computing software. This data can be tracked, updated, and stored on dashboards. Another benefit of ProLaw is that you can access your dashboards or client information from anywhere at any time. With ProLaw Mobile, you can keep track of both your client and company information even when you aren't physically present at your office desk. ProLaw Workspace or ProLaw Mobile helps you stay updated and keeps everyone on your team updated, even if you are working remotely. With the surge of the pandemic, This is one feature that can be very helpful to keep your organization and team on track even when working across different time zones. Final thoughts. ProLaw helps maximize your law firm and lawyers' efficiency and productivity with all these features and benefits, from analyzing a potential client to billing the client after the law services are provided. This cloud computing software offers 360 degrees and efficiency in each step of the process. ProLaw helps make better and more intelligent business decisions for your client and firm through proper data update and storage. You can also access your company and client data from anywhere with ProLaw Workspace and mobile. All in all, this software is excellent to boost productivity, save money and time, and help law firms manage and serve their clients better.